Hey there, awesome viewers. Leo M here, your health companion on Health Spiffy, the ultimate destination for practical wellness tips. Today, we're tackling a pesky issue that many of us have faced, dandruff. But fear not, because in this video, I'm spilling the beans on how to remove dandruff naturally and permanently. No more snowflakes on your shoulders, folks. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Understanding the dreaded D word. First things first, what exactly is dandruff? Well, it's those annoying white or yellow flakes that show up on your scalp and, let's face it, can make you feel a bit self-conscious. Dandruff occurs when your scalp's skin cells renew too quickly, causing the old cells to pile up and flake off. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. The primary culprits are a yeast-like fungus called Malassezia and other factors like oily skin, dry skin, or even certain skin conditions. But fear not, we're on a mission to bid adieu to those flakes for good. Fact 2. Natural anti-dandruff heroes. Here's the good news. Nature has bestowed upon us some mighty anti-dandruff heroes. First up, tea tree oil. It's like a superhero for your scalp. Known for its antimicrobial properties, tea tree oil fights off that pesky fungus causing dandruff. Mix a few drops with your regular shampoo, and voila, you've got a natural dandruff fighting potion. Next in line, aloe vera, the soothing sensation your scalp craves. Aloe vera not only moisturizes your scalp but also has anti-inflammatory properties. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly onto your scalp, leave it for about 30 minutes, and rinse. Your scalp will thank you. Fact 3. The power of apple cider vinegar. Time to talk about the unsung hero in your kitchen. Apple cider vinegar. ACV is like a scalp detox in a bottle. It helps restore the pH balance of your scalp, making it an inhospitable environment for dandruff-causing fungi. Mix equal parts water and apple cider vinegar. Use it as a final rinse after shampooing, and watch those flakes flee. But here's the kicker. Don't go overboard. Too much vinegar can be harsh, so start slow and steady. Your scalp is like a delicate garden. Treat it with care. Fact 4. Coconut oil, the moisturizing maestro. Let's not forget the age-old remedy that our grandmas swore by, coconut oil. This natural emollient moisturizes your scalp, reducing dryness and flakiness. Massage warm coconut oil into your scalp, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, and shampoo as usual. Your hair will not only be nourished but also dandruff-free. But here's a pro tip. Choose virgin or extra virgin coconut oil for the best results. It's like upgrading your hair care to first class. Fact 5. Say hello to healthy eating. Now, onto something that might surprise you, your diet. Yep, what you eat plays a role in your scalp's health. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and flax seeds, can help keep your scalp moisturized. Zinc-rich foods, such as nuts and seeds, contribute to a healthier scalp environment. And here's a little motivation. A balanced diet not only fights dandruff but promotes overall well-being. It's a win-win. Fact 6. Manage stress, manage dandruff. Let's talk about a silent contributor to dandruff, stress. Stress wreaks havoc on your entire body, and your scalp is no exception. When you're stressed, your body produces more oil, creating an ideal environment for dandruff to thrive. So, find your stress relief groove. Whether it's a walk in the park, deep breathing exercises, or even a good laugh, your scalp will thank you for the calm, stress-free vibes. Fact 7. Consistency is key. Last but not least, let's talk about the golden rule, consistency. Natural remedies take time, so be patient and stay consistent. Don't expect a miracle overnight. Give these remedies the time they need to work their magic. Create a routine that works for you. Maybe an anti-dandruff treatment once a week or a soothing scalp massage every now and then. Consistency is the key to saying a permanent goodbye to dandruff. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to remove dandruff naturally and permanently. Say goodbye to those annoying flakes and hello to a healthier, happier scalp. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Health Spiffy for more fantastic content, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Let's build a community that embraces natural solutions for a spiffy, dandruff-free life. Stay spiffy, stay healthy, and let's kick those flakes to the curb.